Okay, so I have the new shingle placed. The old shingle's still sitting up there. I've just got the shingle placed. I actually haven't started the install. I'm just going to get my phone set up so that you guys can watch. Okay, pause the video just so I can get all of the fail points marked up here. The creasing wasn't terrible. Take this out of 0.6 here. As you can see, there's creasing along pretty much all of the dragon's teeth. A little bit on the actual bottom mat, but we do have some delamination there, here as well, where it's completely, this one's good, that one's good. None of the actual dragon's teeth came unlaminated. It was just this bottom sheet. Ooh, wrong spot. I'll kind of lift this up so you can see. There. And there as well. I'm going to give a really good overview.